But one thing happened is that I didn't hear the click sound that we used to hear before that we attributed to the laptop. But now I think I got it. That now I think that what the problem may have been all along is the blackmagic mini recorder box, because I am using right now a Elgato camlink as the device to use my Nikon camera as a webcam. And Elgato has probably, I think, has come to solve a lot of issues. And it is not the computer the problem. If the computer, if the laptop is not the problem, this may actually help us tremendously when we're doing our live events. That way we don't have to carry the iMac everywhere. That's a lot of space. We just bring the laptop. We just bring the laptop. Of course, the iMac has a bigger screen and all that, but man, what do you guys think? You know? So